Aloha from Hawaii. My name is Sean. I am a professional ukulele player and a teacher. I'm so excited to share my ukulele knowledge with you through this video course. Despite it looks light and small, ukulele is so versatile. You can play solo or as a band, from pops to classical music. In this lecture, mainly you'll learn three things. First, what is ukulele and Hawaiian music? Second, several basic chords to get started. And lastly, how to actually play songs with ukulele. Frankly, anyone can start playing ukulele. I have taught a number of beginners in the past, from 4 years old to 80 plus years old. What do you need to prepare to take this course? 1. Ukulele. 2. Copy of a ukulele scores. Please download the score from the link in the description section, print it and have it in front of you when you practice. This makes your practice much easier. And lastly, please install free Ukulele Tuner app. It's very important to tune your ukulele before every time you play. I will talk about tuning in the next section. I open my ukulele class in Hilo, Hawaii. So please come visit us when you travel to Hawaii. I'll be more than happy to help you out and answer your questions. You can find my class through www.bigislandexperience.com or through Airbnb Experience. For online lesson, you can direct message me on Instagram at bigislandexperience or from bigislandexperience@gmail.com. Mahalo and see you in my next video.